right. Today's special, buy a money saver. We're not buying a money saver. Okay. Well, we got exterior wash for $6, wash plus for $10. I say we gotta go wash plus. Yeah. They don't call it the monsoon here. That's interesting.
Where my car
That's because it's the WESTPORT car.
Oh, that's right. Not a rain car.
I don't know where my car is.
I got it. Okay. $10 wash, please.
How are you guys?
Good. How are you?
How are you?
They put it in the Grinch letters.
See that? See the today only sign? Looks like it's from...
Buy a money saver.
Yeah.
Looks like a Grinch.
They made the letters like Grinch style. Oh, look, they got bug remover.
Looks like Grinch.
Wash plus $10. You see that? Look what that BP car wash says. Touchless automatic laser wash.
I bet Hannah, will probably handle that.
Yeah, she could probably handle that one. But...
Touchless automatic laser wash.
Alright, thank you, neutral and no break.
Okay.
You guys have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Oh boy, there go the brushes. Oh, blue big. Oh, they got blue mini. What do we got here? We got flashing. This might be hot.
Polish. It says polish.
Pico car wash.
What? Pico car wash systems.
Ooh. Was that the tri-foam? Or was that still the polish?
I think that was the polish. Oh! Whoa! Blue and black sunset. Orange sunset. Phew! Whoa! Look at the sides. Blue bigs in the back.
Got this little down there.
Look on the side, blue mini. Oh, power spray. Whoa, blue and black, soot. Oh, look at that. Soot.
Here's some more big.
More blue big. Wow, that thing is spinning fast. Now we got a crazy exit on this car wash.
Why did you say it?
Look at this. You gotta go right, like right away. And our spot-free rinse. Still see that BP over there.
I see a playground.
I see a playground. Oh, I see one. Yeah, back there.
There's those brushes.
There's those
Right
blue,
to hear that.
blue and black slits. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Red Pico. Car wash system. There's the emergency stop.
There's the weird exit.
Those things are still spinning back there. Wow. Man, they just kind of put a car wash in the cliff over here. What do you think of that?
Wow.
Look, you can still see them up there spinning side to side.
And look, there's the big brush.
Yep.